Lesson 27, the binomial probability distribution. Example 6. A non-colorblind father and a carrier mother have a 25% chance of having a colorblind child each time they have a child. How many colorblind children could this couple expect to have if they were to have 3 children total? So this question is asking how many could this couple expect to have? Well, the expected value of a random variable x is the mean, mu sub x. So to answer this question, we need to merely calculate the mean for this random variable. Now, this random variable x is counting the number of colorblind children this couple can have. And since each time a child is born, it could either be colorblind or not colorblind, this random variable follows a binomial random process, since a child is born either colorblind or not colorblind. That is the 2 possible outcomes. So we can use the binomial probability formulas to answer this question. Now, the expected value of the random variable is always equal to the mean, mu sub x, of that random variable. The formula for calculating the mean when the random variable follows the binomial probability distribution is calculated by taking the n times the p. So the value of the n and p, where n is the total number and p is the corresponding probability, we can use n equals 3 because it states that this couple were to have 3 total children. And we could use p of 25% because the problem tells us that there's a 25% chance that this couple will have a colorblind child. So using the value of n equals 3 and p equals 25%, mu sub x, the mean, is found by taking the 3 times the p, 0.25. And 3 times 0.25 equals 0.75. Thus, the mean is 0.75. So this couple can expect to have 0.75 colorblind children. Well, even though the mean, which is the balancing point of the data, can take on any value over that interval, the actual random variable x for a binomial is discrete. That is, it represents a count or a frequency and can only take on whole numbers from 0 up to n, in this case 3. So this couple can actually not have 0.75 colorblind children. They could have 0 or 1 or 2 or 3. In this case, the closest result to this expected value of 0.75 is 1. So a reasonable answer would be to just state that this couple could expect to have 1 colorblind child. So, if a non-colorblind father and a carrier mother were to have 3 children, they could expect to have about 1 colorblind child.